Mokete Africa Holdings, an associate company, Litedek Botswana, have specialized in the development of lightweight suspended concrete flooring systems for use in double and multi-story buildings over a period of 35 years. As structural commercial engineers, this innovative team adopted a long-term research and development policy, which culminated in the introduction of economical and fast-track methods of suspended slab construction. One such development is the Insudek system, which was first launched in Botswana 15 years ago and has without doubt placed Botswana on the map in terms of their ongoing use of this simple, cost-effective, lightweight, insulated, suspended multi-story concrete slab system. Substantial savings have been consistently achieved by developers and contractors whom have used Insudek, both as a result of substantial reduction in cost and construction time. Ironically, the Insudek system was many years ahead of time, as with the new SANS 10400-XA energy usage in building only recently promulgated. The use of thermal insulation in construction is mandatory in South Africa. All other African countries are soon to follow this critically important ruling. The fact that Insudek's system fully complies with this new ruling, combined with an accredited 2-hour fire rating and a highly successful history of usage, places Mokete in the forefront of promoting the use of new innovative suspended concrete slab designs in the construction industry. Apart from developers, Mokete clients include structural engineers, architects, quantity surveyors, and contractors, as each of these disciplines are instrumental in making important choices for their clients. Specifying the super lightweight, structurally superior suspended concrete slab system has repeatedly proven to be the right decision due to the many advantages which Insudek offers. Since the development of Insudek, 1.5 million square meters of suspended concrete flooring has been constructed on many large government and commercial buildings in Botswana alone. Due to its simplicity and excellent structural qualities, the proprietary Insudek suspended concrete permanent shuttering system is ideally suited to small or very large contracts, including commercial, industrial, and domestic buildings. High-density fire-retardant polystyrene blocks, Insu blocks, are rebated to fit in between the lip channels with prefixed reinforcement. The combination of the channels and blocks act as a permanent shutter for the casting of approximately 65 mm or 25 or 30 MPa structural topping incorporating anti-crack welded mesh fabric. Mokete's dedicated engineering team offers a full design service, incorporating the preparation of detailed structural working drawings for the Insudek slab or engineer certification for the slab and the related site inspections. The Insudek suspended concrete floor is a 1 or 2-way spanning conventional reinforced concrete ribbed slab, which is designed in accordance with the ruling codes of practice. The slab can be designed to span continuously or simply supported over supports. As is the case with the solid in situ concrete slab, Insudek can be designed for any loading conditions. Spans of up to 12.5 meters can be achieved, except to say that it is sound practice to cut the span by introducing a series of reinforced concrete or steel beams. This reduces the overall depth of the slab, the reinforcement quality, the concrete volume, and ultimately the total cost of the slab. Approximately 70% savings in concrete is achieved when compared to a solid in situ concrete slab design. As in the case of Insudek, the concrete is displaced by the super lightweight high-density fire-retardant Insu blocks. The average weight of 1 square meter of 190 mm high Insu blocks equates to 3 kilograms, whereas the weight of 1 square meter of hollow concrete or ash blocks used in other ribbed slab designs equates to 200 kilograms. This is a massive difference, which clearly has a significant impact on the erection cost of the slab. Due to the greatly reduced self-weight of the Insudek slab, the cost of the overall structure including foundations, bases, columns and reinforced concrete beams is significantly reduced. This is reason why the decision to use Insudek is made at the inception of any given project, allowing the engineer to take cognizance of the reduced self-weight of the slab so as to avoid the over-design of the support structure. Full formwork is not required. to be placed by a nominal propping with bearers positioned under the cross ribs, supported by a suitably braced popping system spaced at approximately 1.6 meters center to center. Litedek can be constructed on load-bearing brickwork, steel beams, or in the case of a reinforced concrete frame structure. The hooked reinforcing bars protrude beyond the length of the channel into the RC beams, offering a sound monolithic connection to the main reinforced concrete beams. Concrete to RC beams and the reinforced Insudek slabs are cast monolithically. Insudek is exceptionally economical to transport and to offload. Due to the particularly lightweight properties of the system, transport costs are minimal, and therefore, apart from local supply, the Mokete Africa holdings specialize in export. As the Insu blocks are almost weightless, comprising of 94% air, storage problems never occur on restricted or small sites. The system is extremely simple to erect and does not require any lifting equipment or skilled labor. Steel fixing is not required, as the reinforcement is pre-fixed in the channels at our factory facility before being delivered to site. Due to the simplicity of Insudek, the appointed contractor almost always erects the components. Alternatively, Mokete engineers offer an economical slab erection fee, slab management fee, using the contractor's on-site labor, which is far cheaper than bringing in a special team. The detailed structural working drawing provides all the information necessary to enable the contractor to erect and prop the slab. The erected and propped slab is then inspected by our engineers so as to ensure that the Insudek channels and blocks are placed strictly in accordance with our detailed structural working drawing and that the propping is safe and adequate. Once the slab is erected and the electrician or plumber have completed their preparation works, approximately 25 or 30 MPa ready-mixed concrete is pumped into the channels surrounding the reinforcement prefixed in the channels and over the blocks which completes the slab. On small slabs, concrete may be mixed on site under strict supervision, as achieving the desired strength forms a major part of the structural design. Once the concrete has reached the desired strength, which takes around 14 days, the props are removed. The slab can be plastered by applying a sludge comprising of a sand or cement and water-based plaster key mix. When dry, a normal plaster or ranolite is rendered. A special fiber or resin or concrete sealing product can be rendered to the soffit of the slab, supplied by Mokete. Specifications available. Normal sealing boards are nailed to the soffit of the slab, or ceilings can be suspended. Recessed lights are easily fitted. Specifications available. Taking due cognizance of the ever-escalating cost of construction, achieving savings by virtue of making use of innovative, fast-track, lightweight, insulated floor systems such as Insudek is a fact now taken very seriously by developers and their professional teams. Mokete Africa Holdings and the associate company based in Botswana for the past 23 years are historically known to provide an outstanding service and performance record. This fact, combined with our intensive portfolio of projects spanning over 35 years, are critical factors to be considered when specifying a supplier on large or small contracts. The demand for this proprietary Insudek systems continues to increase for these very reasons. Mokete's new energy-saving Insudek foundation system, which is also an economical and fast-track alternative to raft foundation, is yet another example of Mokete's dedication to keeping the Southern African construction industry abreast with the rest of the world.